if incoming calls are not showing up on your screen on Samsung Galaxy A17, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So the first thing that you can do is check if you do not have Do Not Disturb mode activated. So for example, we can go to Quick Settings, and then over here in Quick Settings, you might be able to find the Not Disturb button. If it's enabled, then this is the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, why they are not being displayed on your screen. So make sure that it is disabled, and also you can check if you have, for example, a schedule for the Not Disturb mode. So for example, it doesn't reactivate itself after some time. Besides that, if that is not the case, you can also go to the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, we need to tap on these three dots that you can find either here on the right side or in the top right corner. And let's go to settings. Now, in settings, you should be able to find call display while using apps. And by default, we use small pop-up. You might want to switch to full screen. So whenever you're using an app or something, if someone calls you, you will have this full screen instead of a small pop-up. At least for now, you can use that in order to see if that makes any difference. And then later on, you can revert that change. If this didn't help as well, then we can open settings, scroll down in settings to open apps. There we go. Now over here we have our list of apps, but first we're gonna tap on this icon on the right side, and we need to show system apps. There we go. Now in here we can use this search button, and we can write something like phone. You should be able to find different apps. So first we're gonna go to the phone app itself. We want to force stop it. Go to notifications and make sure that they are enabled, also for the lock screen, for example, over here. And then we also have permissions, so you might want to check if you have these permissions allowed for the phone app. If not, then you can tap on the permission and you can grant it over here. Now, besides that, go to storage and clear data and confirm your choice. Now, we're gonna go back. And then we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage, and we want to go to storage, and over here you want to clear cache or data. If you can clear data, then you want to clear data, otherwise just clear cache. Now go to phone calls and do the same thing. Open storage and clear data. Let's go back. Now phone services, storage, and clear data. And then there is also this one, phone number service. I'm not sure if that is related to the phone app itself, but I'm just gonna clear data anyway, just to be sure. Now we're gonna switch the text over here from phone, and we're gonna write call instead. Let's go to this call option over here, storage and clear data. Let's go back. Then we have call services, do the same thing, storage and clear data. Next, we're gonna go to call settings, storage, and we can clear data as well. Call BG provider, and just do the same thing, clear data. Call content provider, storage, and in this case, I can only clear cache. All right, and there's also the smart call option, so I'm gonna use this one as well. I'm gonna open it, go to storage and clear data. All right, so now we have cleared every data over here. So the last thing that you should do is go to the phone app. So you want to open it. Since we force stopped it, we want to open it to make sure that it is running in the background. And now give it a try, see if it makes any difference. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.